Shalom, shalom. Welcome back to Dare to Dream with Pauline Mwarabu. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please do. Now, have you ever heard of Kyamuilu Hill in Ukambani, where gravity is in reverse? Now, today, I want to go to Machakos County. Of course, it is not the gravity hill that is taking me there. I am going to Machakos County to visit one of Gen Z farmers who deals with different species of apples, and I want to benchmark because of my apple farm. But I also want to verify whether this story of Ukambani, Ukambani is Ukambani, is true. Yeah? Please watch the video and let us verify together whether it is true. And of course, I'll be also telling you more about the farm I'm visiting. Gen Zs are doing this thing. If you're a Gen Z, just stay here. So that's what I'm planning. I'm chilling here at the rooftop, also having very great views to die for. This side, I have in the horizon Gong Hills, Kwambali, and then my farm is behind me. You can see past my farm how dry Kajiado is. Wow. We pray that God will remember us. So join me as I do this crazy Kyamuilu Hill, and also I'm intending to show you what Gen Zs are doing in farming. Thank you. Shalom, shalom. Dare to Dream with Pauline Mwarabu. Another episode of Pauline Farming. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do. We bring you amazing content on farming, especially apple farming. This time round, my friends and I decided to visit Machakos County and benchmark with the famous Kusenga Apple Farm. So we left Kajiado County, passed through Nairobi and Mombasa Road, and we decided to use the Moore Hills Road, and that is Sonko Rural Home Residence. And then we decided also to go to Kyamuilu Hill, where gravity and magnetic field work in reverse. We didn't believe it, and we decided to test it on our own. So we switched off our vehicle and also switched to neutral gear. And guys, it was very creepy. The vehicle started moving uphill. It was so scaring. And when the guides poured water, the water would also move uphill. We were told that this is a result of there are two explanations about this. One scientific, that there is a kind of magnetic field that need to be studied, and the other one, it's the Ukambani one of two twin brothers who had an affair with one lady, and she got pregnant, and the two brothers could not agree who was the father of the child. So they continued fighting. Even after their death, they still fight. That's why objects are attracted up the hill, because there's a pull and push. by the two brothers fighting for the family. After that, we drove to Mutitwini, and I'm telling you, the views were to die for. Ukambani is very beautiful, especially Machakos County. And I'm telling you, you could see the Machakos town down the hill. Completely beautiful. Wow, I loved the place. So, Kusenga Farm is situated on top of the hill. After you are done with I think it's Mutitwini forest, there's also another story of 7 trees. I didn't get the story very well, but there are 7 trees that cannot be cut. I will get to know the story better. We finally got to Kusenga Farm, and the place is beautiful. Guys, this is where the Garden of Eden is situated. Trust you me. The farm has different fruit trees. These are plums, tuko tunazita gem in our village. And you have seen grapes. We have apples. And by the way, Dennis Mutua, the owner of the farm, was not in. We found his workers, and they were amazing, very kind, and they showed us different types of apple trees that have been planted. There's a Cripsy Red, we have Anna or Wambugu, we have a Golden Dorset, Fuji, and Pink Lady. And this guy is serious, like serious, and he's a Gen Z, by the way. So we toured the farm. He has also planted some other fruits that I've never seen. Sijui, I cannot even remember the name. There was one fruit tree that resembles the tomato tree. I can't remember what was the name. Sijui pep something. I can't remember. I'll find out. And you can see the apples. It was harvest time, and we really crunched. We were allowed to crunch as much as we could. But our trip here was basically benchmarking. We needed to know how to take care of our apple trees and how to graft. And Tabitha was very kind. She took us through the process of grafting. Imagine. Mti yenye iko na 2 feet? Okay.
Kama hii. Hii matawi yake natakikana bado utoe.
Okay.
Unapima. Sikanafika hapa.
Oh, hiyo mti ni ya kupima.
Ni ya kupima.
Okay.
Unakata. Nachukua hii knife. Si unaona sasa hapa kana ndio.
Nimelichonga.
Nimepeleka wapi?
Nakuja nakata hapa katikati. Ukitoshana na hii. Unaingiza hapo kwa hii side moja. Anajishikilia hapo ukiachilia. So nakata karatasi yake inakaa hivi. Nakuja. Sasa nachukua hii moja. Sasa ni kufunga. Unaanza hapa. Hapa chini. Unapeleka tu kidogo. Kifika juu unateremka tena. unakaa ufunganga kakiwa tight kabisa, kasiingie maji ama hewa. Sasa ako kako sawa.
Sasa after 3 weeks unafungua?
3 weeks unakuja unafungua.
After several hours of going through the farm, it was time to go back home. We bought seedlings and we also bought fruits, and we were given some other fruits like the bananas. As you can see, our boot was full. We even bought one of the biggest seedlings that had already fruited. One of my friends wanted to take the fruit and the seedling at home to show her kids, but unfortunately the road was a bit bumpy, so by the time we got to Nairobi, the fruit had fallen. So we went back through the scenic road down the Mutitoini Hill and Mutitoini Forest. It was amazing. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, I am requesting that you subscribe. You also switch on your notification so that once I do a new video, then you can be able to be notified. Thank you so much for watching. This was a beautiful journey. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye. See you next time.